What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Michael. Today I'm going to talk about softboxes and diffuser. I'm going to show you some examples of what they do, and also I'm going to answer that question that you're probably asking: should I use softbox or diffusers for my photography and video? So if you're interested in learning a little bit more, don't change the channel and stay here with me. Alright, so the main goal of using a softbox or diffuser is to diffuse the light. Plus, by doing so, it evens out the light, which is really nice. One of the things that I really love about diffuser or softbox is that it reduces the harsh light that your LED panel is producing or whatever the light you're using. Plus, it also reduces the shadows, the hardness of the shadows. So if your shadows were really dark and harsh, it also makes them soft. The same way with the light. If your light was very harsh, with the diffuser basically it's gonna make it very soft. Alright, so in today's video we're gonna be using 3 lights, and what I wanna do is I wanna show you the difference of not using a softbox versus using a softbox. First light that we're gonna be using is the Fositen L5000 panel. We're gonna be using this one with the softbox included. When you purchase this LED panel, it includes a softbox. By the way, if you guys are interested in buying any of these lights, I'm going to leave a link at the description. At no additional cost to you, you can use this link, and it helps me out a little bit here on the channel. So thank you in advance for using that link. Second light we're going to be using is the LumQ Panel Pro. This one, it already has a built-in diffuser. It has one already here, and it also comes with this one detachable. Now for this one in particular, I want to show you, if you have a small panel like this, if you do it yourself, you can actually create your own diffuser, which I did for this video. So this right here basically is a translucent plastic that I found at Michael's. I believe you can find this at any crafts and arts retail store. But this is basically do-it-yourself, and that's what we're going to be comparing it. We're going to show it without the diffuser and with the do-it-yourself diffuser. Hey guys, sorry for the interruption. I wanted to ask you for a favor. If you are enjoying this video, can you hit that like button? It helps me a lot here with the YouTube channel, and it helps me grow it as well. Also, if you like the content I'm producing, you're welcome to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my new videos. And now back to the video. And third one, we're gonna be using one of my key lights that I used to use here when I first started the channel, which is my Godox SL60W. We're gonna be doing the same thing. We're gonna be shooting our product with direct light and also with a softbox to compare the difference between them. For today's video, we're gonna be using this figure from Halo Master Chief from 1000 Toys. Alright, so this is gonna be our product and our model for today's video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at these comparisons. Alright, so the question is, should I use a softbox or diffuser for my photography and video? And the answer is, this is subjective. There is no right or wrong answer. It really depends for what you're really going for. So if you're going for that dramatic look, then I would recommend not to use a softbox. Or if you do use a softbox, maybe use a smaller light source. If you're going for that soft look and you want your light to be even and you don't like your shadows to be so harsh or your light, then you definitely want to go with a softbox or a diffuser. The bigger the diffuser or the softbox, the more even the light is and also the softer the shadows is. So if you're looking for that, then you might want to consider using a softbox or diffuser for your next photography and video project. Alright guys, and that is it for today's video. If this video was helpful to you, if you can do me a favor, if you can hit that like button, it helps me a lot here with the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you like the content I'm producing, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my videos. Other than that guys, I will see you next time. Take care guys.